In the shadowy dawn, a lone figure stands on a bamboo raft. This is no ordinary fisherman. This is a master of an ancient, dying art. For 1,000 years, man and bird have danced this deadly ballet. Welcome to the world of cormorant fishing. Imagine turning a living, breathing bird into the world's most efficient fishing rod. That's exactly what these fishermen have done. But at what cost? A snare chokes the bird, preventing it from swallowing its prey. For the cormorant, every catch is a Sisyphean task, forever fishing, rarely feasting. Once these birds were more precious than gold. Emperors coveted them, armies protected them. Now, they're vanishing, along with the men who trained them. Today, this millennia-old tradition teeters on the edge of extinction, reduced to a tourist spectacle. But as we rush to preserve this living history, we're forced to ask, at what price to nature? To the birds themselves? Li Wei, one of the last true cormorant fishers, puts it simply, "When I die, this art dies with me."